Okay, so this is part 2 of our focaccia dough making. We let it rise in the tray, and now I put some olive oil on top of it, and Emma here is going to help me, and she's going to spread the olive and to shape the focaccia a little bit. So what you want to do is to take your fingers and really tuck them in all the way until you get to the bottom of the tray, and just press that in. Okay, don't pat it, press it in. Don't pat it, press it in. Alright, good. Press it in all the way here as well. With your fingers, not all your hands, just your fingers. You want to have those little holes. That's gonna make the texture really nice. Alright, perfect. It looks amazing. And now we're going to, it's okay to leave the bubbles, it's fine, even though it's fun to pop them. So we're gonna decorate this one for our friend's birthday. He's turning 6. So we're gonna use green onion that our friend gave us. So there it is. We're gonna press it in a little bit. We're gonna shape it in the number of 6, which is his birthday, but you can shape it any way you want. You can add in any fruit or vegetable that you like, and just tuck it in. Perfect. And make sure that it's all got olive oil in, which is usually happens automatically because we do sprinkle drizzle a pretty good amount of olive oil. And now just like we're just gonna decorate with the green olive, with the green onion here, just right around. We're just gonna put it to make it look nice, like little sprinkles, but the one that actually benefit with your body and not destroy it. Now we can press it in a little bit, just a little bit, the one that we put, because we don't want it to burn. So we just spread it in. We can give it a few minutes to rise again, or not, just put it straight in the oven. We heat it up for 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna put it in for about, I want to say 25 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. Now I'm gonna use some flaky salt, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it just like that, no rules, on top, and we're gonna put it in the oven now.